Is your Facebook remarketing campaign not performing well? Or maybe you have not configured the audiences properly. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Aman Singh Chadda. I'm a PPC expert based in New Zealand at the moment. I will take you through a journey where we can configure the audiences in segment, and you can target different type of audiences through a remarketing campaign. So in this video, let's get started, like how to create different type of audiences. First of all, you need to log into your business manager account or maybe your ads account. So I'm into my ads account. On the left side, you'll find a hamburger menu. Click on that and click on audiences. So once the audiences page is loaded up, you'll find a couple of options here. So on the left, you can see your all audiences, and this one audience which I have created a couple of minutes back, that's an all website user 180 days. So understand, you are having a good traffic on your website page or maybe Facebook page, but still you're not able to retarget or maybe not able to portray your best product to them. For them, we'll create a couple of audiences. The first and important audience is your all website interaction data. So we need a pool where all traffic is coming from last 180 days and who all are into that pool. So let's get. So we click on create audience first, click on custom audience. So here we can select the source. For example, we can select you need a traffic audience, or you want to make a different audience which is coming just through a Facebook page, maybe a lead form, maybe a Facebook video, or certain business profile through Instagram. So we'll go to the website first because that's the most important audience that we need to remarket them. So as soon as we click on the website, so before getting or fetching information through your website, we need to configure a Facebook pixel code. So what is Facebook pixel code? Facebook pixel code is just like a normal snippet code which is called Google Analytics code or maybe GTM code, which is plugged into your website so that Facebook can track or fetch data from your website. So I've already configured this code. So I click on any. And for this, now you can see there's all website visitors. You can also select certain pages. So we'll select on all website visitors, and the maximum days of data of our visitors we can fetch is from the last 180 days. You can see. So we'll keep last 60 days because I want to show a product to those visitors who have interacted through my website, and I want to just specify for last 60 days. So I will give them the name of the audiences. So it will be all users, all website users last 60 days. Great. So this is the first audience that we've created with you. So one is all website users last 60 days. Now imagine you want to find an audience that you'll be definitely looking for, people who have maybe bought your product or maybe have seen one product, and you don't want them to see one product, rather you want to see or you want them to see the second product. How we'll choose that kind of audience? Now once in the earlier audiences we selected all website visitors. Now we'll go to people who have visited specific web page. So I can just write the page link that the audience which have already visited to this product or maybe this page should have a different pool of audiences. So we'll go to ppchero.co.nz/thank you. So anyone who have already submitted a form, a query form through my website and have seen this thank you page, I wanted to segment those kind of audiences. So I will be writing all completed audience. So it's up to me that when on the campaign setup, will I be able to exclude those audience or include those audience? But I'm still creating that audience segment at the moment. Great. So what I've done, I've created all website users, means anyone who is visiting my website, plus what I've created is another one is all completed form audiences. So any audiences which have completed the requested form, then I want to remarket or I want to exclude or I'm still segmenting those audiences. The another audience will be through your Facebook page. So we can select the PPC Hero page. So I want to segment these kind of audiences who have connected through my Facebook page, and we can choose the maximum days of 365 days or 180 days. I'll put 180 days at the moment. So there are different kind of engagement that people made through your website page, through your Facebook page. So they are put a couple of options which says anyone who visited your page, people who engaged, people who clicked your call to action button, people who sent you message. So we can also create different type of audiences here depending upon what's your requirement, because understand the user journey. It's really important to portray your ads to a relevant and the right audience. For example, I've got two products on my website, ppchero.co.nz. If I want to sell one product to my users, I don't want, if the people who have already seen my first product should be able to see only the second product. They should not see the ads of product one every time. Then what I'll do, I will just segment the audiences, and on the campaign settings, I will be including and excluding those audiences. Well, so I will write the name for this audiences. I will go for everyone who engaged my page, all Facebook engagement, all Facebook traffic, I can say, last days. So I click on create audiences. That's great. So you can see we have created a couple of audiences and it start populating. It's always recommend that when you start the campaign, you should always build your audiences, because that's the most relevant, important part, especially for the remarketing audience. It's really important to have a couple of audiences. So you need to find out which audience that you will be required for your campaign, and definitely you can create a couple of different audiences and start doing the remarketing campaign. Remarketing is very effective and can impact and can reduce the cost per lead at very significant level. For any kind of questions regarding this audiences, you can just go to the comment section and write your comments, or maybe you leave your questions there. I will definitely get back to you regarding this, or maybe you can visit my website, which is ppchero.co.nz regarding this. All links regarding my social media are in the description. You can get connected. Thank you very much. I will be coming up with more videos regarding the PPC tips and tricks and marketing automations as well. Stay connected. Cheers. Bye.